Okay guys, it's Friday. Now that means music theory time. Now last week we talked about thirds, major and minor thirds. We know that a major third is 2 4.5 steps away, and that a minor third is 2 3.5 steps away, which translate to major being 4 frets away from your starting note, so 5th fret A string D. Major third is the 9th fret on the A string F sharp, and the minor third is the 8th fret F natural. Now we're going to add on to it. We're going to add one more interval here. It's the 5th, and by playing a root chord, a root note, the note that you start on, a third, and a 5th, you can play chords. And it's fun to play chords. You just got to know how to make them. So we'll go with D just because I showed you D. So D, the 5th fret on the A string, and the major third would be either the 9th fret on the A string, or the 4th fret on the D string. So you got a major third there. Now a 5th is pretty easy to find. If you'll see a lot of guitarists, a lot of what they do is play this kind of chord. It's a power chord. The shape that I have is we have the index finger on the 5th fret D on the A string, and the pinky is 2 frets up, but on the string above it, so it's on the 7th fret D string. That's a power chord. It's 1 and 5 in the scale. So watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if we're going in thirds, look at it this way. Your starting note is F sharp. You're going from the F sharp 3rd up to the A natural 5th. 1, 2, 3. It's a minor third away from your 3rd. So, whereas going a major third above your start note would be 4 frets. Hitting the 5th above that would be a minor third. And vice versa if you're going from a minor third to the 5th. So starting note D, minor third 3 frets up is F natural, and because you lose a fret or a half step, you go 4 more frets up or 2 whole steps, and you're at the A. I just showed you guys how to find the 5th from the major and the minor third. So major third, the 5th is a minor third away from the 3rd. So B, F sharp, A, and then minor third. The 5th is a major third away from the now minor third, so F to A. Basically, all you need to know is that major and minor chords are built up on varying layers of thirds. D, the root to the major third, obviously is a major third apart. And then the major third to the 5th is a minor third away. And then in minor, root to 3rd is a minor third away, but minor third to 5th is a major third away. So now knowing this, we know that for D, D major chord based off of 3 notes is D, F sharp, A. So 12th fret on the D and A string, you got D and A, and then the 11th fret on the G string is F sharp, D major chord. And if you want to play a D minor chord, you just take it down to the 10th fret on the G string, F natural. This is true across the board. So let's look at a G chord. G, if we were playing a G major chord, a major third above G, two whole steps, so 4 frets away from your G. Okay, we'll do it on the open G string just to make it easier. So, got open G, major third, 4 frets away, 4th fret. Minor third above that, 3 frets away, 7th fret. G, make it minor. Minor is 3 frets away, E flat, and then from minor to 5th, it's a major third away, 4 frets, 7. Use these formulas, use these patterns, and you can make chords. You can do a whole bunch of stuff. So that's C major to C minor. There are also a bunch of different ways you can finger these. Look, showed you that D major to D minor. Another way to do it, 5 on the 5th fret on the A string, 4th fret on the D string, and 2nd fret on the G string. It's an awkward shape, but major, take the 4th fret on the D string, make it the 3rd fret, minor. So experiment, have fun with it. That's the whole point of music. Next week, since we've gone through a lot of technique stuff, I'm going to show you how to, apply more music theory and these techniques that I've shown you into learning songs.